On today's menu, a recipe so simple, it's absolutely crystal clear. Glass noodle salad.
Layhoma everyone, I'm Will Young. Have you checked out my Kickstarter project on the first ever vegan ramen cookbook? You can learn more in the link above. Now this is an easy and fast glass noodle salad.
Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Chop half a carrot into sticks. Chop a third of a cucumber into sticks.
These are incredible glass noodles. They only need 2 minutes to cook.
Cook the glass noodles as per package instructions. Drain out the water from the noodles. Add ice and cold water to stop the noodles from cooking. Mix in bowl 1 tablespoon cane sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Whisk. Strain out the water from the noodles through a sieve. Noodles, carrot, cucumbers, 1 stick green onion, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Mix. Plate. You can now make this easy and delicious glass noodle salad with absolute confidence.
In just in a matter of minutes, you can make an incredible noodle salad. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. Thank you for joining me on my channel. If you're interested in my vegan ramen cookbook project on Kickstarter, you can click the link here. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.